Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to capture or record the screen and audio in OBS. So for this you have to add some sources, and here you can see the sources of mine. You can easily add some sources by clicking on the plus icon. The first sources that you need to add is audio input capture, and after you add this audio input capture, then you have to right click on it, then you have to click on the properties, then you have to click on the device, and here you have to choose the microphone that you are currently using from here. So that's how you can change the device option of audio input capture, and then click on OK. After that you have to add one more source that's called display capture, and you can also add it from the plus option from here, and then again you have to right click on it, and then you have to click on the properties, then you have to choose the capture method, any of the three, any of them from this tree, and I would recommend to choose the automatic option from here. And here you can choose the display that you would like to use for recording, and I have choose my primary monitor as my display. And then you have to select the capture cursor or not. If you would like to show your mouse cursor, then you have to check it, or if you don't want to show your mouse cursor, then you have to uncheck it, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to click on the file, then you have to click on the settings, and when you click on the settings, then you have to click on the output, and here in the output you have to choose the recording path. That means the file that you would like to get saved your videos, so you can easily browse your files from here. And then here is the option of recording format, I mean the mkv file or mp4 file that you would like to get saved your video. So in my opinion you can use the mp4 file because it is mostly accepted. Then after that you have to click on the audio, and here you have to make sure that you have selected the method that selected the mic that you are currently using in the mic auxiliary audio, and after that you have to click on OK. And that's how you can choose all the options from here. And make sure that here in the desktop audio, if you want to make sure the audio of your desktop don't want to record it, then you have to mute it down, because for example background music is running in your video, so the in your computer, then it will record it if you turn on the desktop audio. And after that you have to click on the screen, then you can see the red border, then you have to click on the start recording option from the stop recording. Here I am currently using OBS to record my video, that's why here it is showing stop recording, but in your application you will see the start recording option. From here you have to click on the start recording, and it will automatically start to record your video. Thank you very much for watching this video.